Alrighty guys, what is going up? Welcome back to the Best Investing Money Management channel on YouTube. I am your host Carter, and in today's video we're going to be talking about the Cash App investing platform. Can you invest on this platform, and is it even worth it compared to other brokers out there? So I hope you guys enjoy it, and overall I hope you guys get something of value out of this video. And if you do, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, concerns, ask them down in the comments. And if you guys want to learn more about investing in the market, check out my course, and you guys can use promo code DIVIDENDS to get 50% off. So at least check it out. I'll put a link to that down below. So now, roll the intro. Let's go. Come on. So now, what is the Cash App, and can you even invest on this platform? Well, the Cash App is owned by Square, which technically is a fintech stock. Now, Square does a variety of things, right? They have credit card processors, they own the Cash App, and overall, they make a ton of money. So on this platform, the Cash App, it's really designed to send money to other people, and they have a debit card that you can do online transactions, you can set up direct deposit with your employer, and the beauty of it, now recently, you can buy and sell stock and even Bitcoin. Now, you might be asking, well, Carter, is there anything I should understand about this? Is it worth it? Is it bad? Well, here's the thing. Investing in general is fantastic. I would rather see you guys invest on the Cash App than not invest at all. You know, and not to mention, they have commission-free trading on the Cash App. So anytime you guys buy or sell a stock, you're not going to get charged anything, which is fantastic, but it's kind of a standard nowadays. But when you buy and sell Bitcoin, it's a little different. They do charge about 1%, which is honestly pretty decent if you compare it to Coinbase, which does charge a little bit more than that. But getting back to the stocks, you guys can see on this account, I do have around $199 invested, right? Okay, it says the total invested is $142. I just want to say that is completely false. I bought and sold multiple different times, so it's actually about $120 that I actually put into this, but I do have a total gain of about 57 plus the 20, so it's about just over 70 bucks, okay? You guys can see all the stocks that I'm heavily invested in, right? We have the S&P 500, Disney, Berkshire Hathaway, we have Chipotle, JP Morgan, Amazon, Visa, Coca-Cola, McDonald's, and Airbnb. So you guys can see, definitely, I'm very diversified across multiple different sectors, but how can you use this platform? It's very simple, right? You guys can see it has multiple news articles from CNBC, The Guardian, Market Watch, so you can kind of stay up to date on all of your stocks and other companies that are on your watch list. And the watch list is pretty much just the stocks you are following. So you guys can see I have Tesla, Alphabet, which is Google, Facebook, Nike, another S&P 500, Netflix, Kavana, AT&T, AMD, Walmart, and a variety of other fantastic companies that I'll probably add to this account here in the near future. But if you guys are just brand new to investing and you have no idea what you're doing, what's awesome about this is they break it down by sector. So if you guys want to buy into energy companies, you guys can see all the energy companies that the Cash App has. You guys can go back and you want to find ETFs, which is just a pool of stocks together. You can do that. If you want food and drink companies, healthcare, media and entertainment, sports and gaming, they have all this and they break it down very, very easy for beginners, okay? So now as we continue to scroll down, you guys can see the biggest daily movers. So you guys can see Virgin Galactic got absolutely hammered, falling 17%, okay? And then this other company is up 12%, okay? So you guys can continue to scroll through here and you guys can find the more volatile and more riskier stocks that a lot of day traders or swing traders are looking at. And you guys can see they do have this little article on your first stock. So let's actually go ahead and click a stock. So you guys can see Apple. So how to follow a stock or put it on your watch list, all you gotta do is click follow. It's very simple. And you guys can continue to scroll down and you guys get a brief description of Apple. So you guys can see they make a variety of electronic devices. We all know iPhones, iPads, and a variety of others. the CEO and the industry they're in, number of employees, their headquarters, and their ticker symbol. We continue to scroll down, and this is where you have more of the fundamental side. So this is going to be like a lot of the things on the balance sheet. So you guys can see the share price, the market cap, the total revenue over the past 12 months, revenue growth, the gross profit, net profit, today's volume, and then this other stat right here is more of the technical side. So support, resistance, volume, price to earnings, a variety of other things, okay, dividends and all of that. You continue to scroll down and they break down the financials very, very simple. So you guys can see you have the annually and the quarterly, and then it's all broken down by net profit and total revenue. We continue to scroll down, and this is going to be your activity here. So you guys can see I have bought multiple different amounts of Apple, $1, but then I sold it, and then it's featured in a variety of other things, okay? So if you wanted to buy this company, it's very, very simple. All you gotta do is click buy in the amount you want, click next, and then all you have to do is just click schedule, and then if it is not during market hours, you have to wait until the next business day morning at 9:30 when the stock market opens. So let's actually do it. Okay, $1 next. We're gonna let this load up, and then once it does, we're just gonna click schedule, and then it's gonna load, take a second, probably send orders and filter a lot of things. Make sure you have money in your account and all of that. Okay, so we're just gonna click done. So now in the morning tomorrow at 9:30, we're gonna have a trade on Apple for $1. Okay, the beauty of the Cash App is you don't need hundreds of dollars to invest. You just need a single dollar in stocks, and that's what you get on this platform. So when people ask, Carter, should I use the Cash App? Absolutely, everybody should. But there is some downside, of course. So one of the downside is it's not good for actively trading, right? It makes sense if you're a day trader or someone who's more in tune with the market, you're gonna want a faster broker, you're gonna wanna have better charts, better fundamentals, technicals, be able to look at stocks, find support and resistance, and make trades. Also, it's not the greatest for dividend investing. The reason why is because it doesn't offer DRIP, which is the dividend reinvestment plan, which in my opinion, I think it probably will eventually have it, but right now it doesn't. Dividend reinvesting is pretty much all the dividends you get, you're gonna wanna reinvest it right back into the company and make a lot more money. This is why. Look at the chart, you guys can clearly see the difference between DRIP and not having it. So the Cash App by far is fantastic for beginners who are just getting started. And honestly, it's kind of cool that you can keep all of your, your spending account, if you already use the Cash App, your investments all in one place. And I would highly recommend it. If I was gonna give it a score out of 10, it would fall right around a 6 or a 7, which honestly is pretty decent, I'm not gonna lie. And I'll put a link to it down below, and you guys can get like $5 or $10 by signing up with my link. So we will see you guys later. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and stay safe out there. Take care, everyone. Bam.